In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your existing PowerPoint presentation into Canva, a versatile online platform perfect for creating stunning visual content. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation's aesthetics or transition your slides into a more dynamic format, Canva provides the tools you need. First, we'll dive into how to get started with the import process and make the most of the platform's features. To begin, ensure that you're logged into your Canva account and are ready to bring your presentation to life. Head over to the upper left corner of your dashboard and click on Files. This is where you access all the resources you routinely work with. In this section, find where your presentation file is stored. You'll need to navigate to the specific file directory in your drive where you've saved your PowerPoint file. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for a smooth import process. Next, click on Uploads. This will open up a space where you can import files from your computer to Canva. It's here that you get the chance to bring in your PowerPoint presentation. Locate your PowerPoint file on your device, and once you've found it, upload it into Canva by simply dragging it into the Uploads window or selecting it from your file directory. After the upload is complete, click on the file to open it. Now, with your PowerPoint file open in Canva, you'll see an option to Apply All Pages. Click it, and all the slides from your original presentation are now available to edit within Canva. This seamless transition from PowerPoint to Canva allows you to access a wide range of creative tools to elevate your presentation's design. In Canva, you're not confined to using your presentation as is. You have the creative freedom to change the text, edit the font style, or modify other elements to better reflect your vision and message. Utilize Canva's design features, such as changing colors, adjusting layouts, and incorporating additional graphics to make your presentation more engaging and visually appealing. With your editing complete, it's time to share your newly transformed presentation. Navigate to the Share button, which is conveniently positioned, to get options for sharing your work. Whether you want to present it directly from Canva or create a public view link that others can access, sharing your work is easy. By generating a link, anyone with access can view your design without needing a Canva account, making it perfect for collaborations or distributing to a wider audience. In summary, Canva offers a flexible and user-friendly way to transform and enhance your PowerPoint presentations. By importing existing slides and tapping into Canva's editing capabilities, you're able to create captivating presentations that are sure to impress your viewers. Happy designing!